Under my lipstick.
Oh, do you have a lipstick?
Yeah. Where did you find it from?
I don't know. I just found it. Do you wanna use it?
Yeah.
Okay. Show me how you use it. Be gentle with the baby.
That glasses is funny. That is funny.
Is that funny?
Yeah.
Are you done with your lipstick?
No.
I think that's enough. Me too. I think that's enough. We're done. Can you put it back, please? Me too. That's enough. Good job. Put it in the drawer, please. Very good girl. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.